सानवी एंड शौर्य हो रहे हैं बोर। हाँ, आर यू बोर्ड? आर यू बोर्ड शौर्य? लुक एट दिस। हाँ, who kept this here? Are you bored? Do you want a surprise? Do you want a surprise? First you have to say yes. Why are you shooting? This is all out of boredom. अच्छा, you want a surprise or not? Tell me. Surprise चाहिए? I have a surprise for you. So Sanvi and Shaurya हो रहे हैं बोर and I have a surprise for them. First I'll give them their surprise and उसके बाद I'll tell you in detail what when I got the surprise, इसका idea मुझे कहाँ से आया and how it can be beneficial for your kids as well. हाय, वेलकम टू द चैनल। मैं क्या कर रही हूँ फ़ोन पे बताती हूँ आपको। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मैं आपको बता दूँ दैट आई हैव बॉय एंड गर्ल ट्विन्स हु आर 2.5 years ओल्ड। लेकिन अगर आप मुझे कुछ समय से फॉलो कर रहे हैं देन यू नो दैट माई ट्विन्स सानवी एंड शौर्य आर ग्रोइंग अप रियली फास्ट एंड एज अ पेरेंट ऑफ ट्विन्स जो कि 2.5 साल के हैं, इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी टू कीप देम एंगेज्ड ऑल द टाइम एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू नो प्ले स्कूल्स वगैरह सब बंद है एंड बच्चे घर पे हैं, तो ये सोली हम पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू मेक श्योर कि उनकी लर्निंग भी सही से हो रही है, उनकी ग्रोथ अच्छी तरह से हो रही है, वो बोर नहीं हो रहे हैं घर पे, दे आर इंगेज्ड एंड यू नो उनकी ग्रोथ अच्छी हो रही है। सो देर आर सो मेनी फैक्टर्स दैट आर ऑलवेज प्लेइंग इन आवर हेड्स। तो you know, and I as a parent, I don't like exposing my children a lot to mobile phones or TV फिर भी चलता है, you know, like sometimes playing some good cartoons on television is still okay, लेकिन mobile addiction is something I don't at all recommend for kids of you know 0 to 3 years or for that matter 0 to 6 years or any child. आधे घंटे या 1 घंटे का थ्रू आउट द डे इज़ फाइन, बट यू नो अगर बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा समय मोबाइल फ़ोन वगैरह पे स्पेंड कर रहे हैं देन इट काइंड ऑफ हैम्पर्स देयर ग्रोथ एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें उनमें डिले हो जाती है उनकी ग्रोथ में। सो यू शुड रेस्ट्रिक्ट स्क्रीन टाइम। बच्चों को मोबाइल फ़ोन मत दीजिए। एज अ पेरेंट जो चाहती है कि उनके बच्चों की ग्रोथ अच्छी तरह से हो, स्किल्स सीखें बच्चे एंड एंगेज्ड रहें, बिजी रहें एट ऑल टाइम्स, आई कीप looking for things online because there's so many things available these days. And while I was doing my research, I came across this website Giftwale. I think it's a new website and I think I found it very interesting because they have a lot of toys listed there and you can filter the toys based on the age and skill set and so many other things or help you understand better. Let me give you a tour of the entire website कि website पर जाके आप कैसे कैसे चीज़ें order कर सकते हैं। बाय द वे मैंने उस पे से क्या ऑर्डर किया है सानवी एंड शौर्य के लिए एंड डिड दे एंजॉय देयर टॉय और नॉट, दैट्स इन दी लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो। सो वीडियो को आप एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए एंड वेट टिल यू फाइंड आउट व्हाट आई एक्चुअली बॉट फॉर सानवी एंड शौर्य एंड हाउ दे एंजॉयड इट। ट्रस्ट मी, you will love it. Stay tuned. Giftwale is an educational toy website. I came to know about this store through an ad on Google when I was looking for Montessori toys. The website, as you can see, is very colorful and the store has hundreds of toys to choose from, but it was very easy for me to find the right product because of the options that they have. So मैंने अपने twins के लिए choose किया 3+ years and this is what I bought for them, the KitKat Montessori Beat Traveler Butterfly. So as you can see, the website is quite intuitive and when you click on the product you can actually see the length, width, everything, the dimensions of the product. Also gives you a description about the product, what it does. So like for example, you can see this is a small bead maze toy that is ideal for enhancing fine motor skills. तो ऐसे ही सारे products का description है इसमें which makes it very easy for us to choose from. I'm going to provide the link of both the products in the description box. So Giftwale is, like I said, an educational toy and games website. It has toys and games for kids from 0 to 12 years, basically for baby, infants, toddlers, preschoolers and grade schoolers. They have product range from wooden learning toys, Montessori toys, STEM and STEAM toys, crafts, activity kits to a lot of educational games, all under one platform. All the products are directly sourced from brands. There is no third-party sellers on the website, so authenticity and originality is guaranteed by the website. Giftwale is based out of Bangalore, and most of the shipment they deliver on the same day in Bangalore. So parents, what are you waiting for? Website link and these product link, it will be there in the description box. I highly recommend all the parents to visit Giftwale once, and I'm sure you guys will love both the product and the website. No, give this, not this. You want your surprise?
Yes.
You have to come with me then. Sure, you want your surprise?
Yeah.
Then come with me. Follow me. Follow me. No, you don't go in the front. You follow me. What is this? This is Sanvi's baby. You found it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Wow. Bring it. No fighting. Bring it here. Bring it. Let's move mama phone from here. Wait. Wow. You like the packaging? You like it? Wait. I will open it. Wait. You like it?
Yeah.
Wait. Sure, you also go. You have to sit there with Sanvi. Wait. Sit down. First, let's talk. Are you excited about the gift?
Yeah.
Do you love mommy?
Yes.
Can you give huggy to each other? Can you give kissy to each other? Can you give high five? Can you, Sanvi, I want you to go and hug bhaiya. Jing yaar.
Yeah.
Acha, what all is there on the packaging? There's a, what is this? Huh? Dudu bottle, na?
Yeah.
And this is a,
Mickey.
and this is a,
Art.
yes, heart. What is this?
That.
Yes, new dress.
Ninja.
And so many things. I love this. Is a bear. Let's open.
Yeah.
Yeah? Order. Go back, Sanvi. Go back. Then एक और gift है. No fighting. And then there's one more. Yay! You like it?
Yeah.
Sanvi, sit down. I'll show you how to play. Sit down. Ha. So Papa is going to show us how this works. Okay? Without touching, you have to take it. Yay! Good job, Papa.
Can you
Sanvi, you try? Without touching.
It's okay.
Try.
Do it with touching once.
Try.
How can you remove it?
Try. What you don't know, try.
It won't come out like that, Mimi. Okay.
See, you have to follow this. You have to follow this route. It's like a road. You have to follow it, okay?
Now can you try again?
Wait, Shaurya will come to your toy. First, Papa is helping Sanvi. Papa, can you help Shaurya with his toy?
Okay, so what is Shaurya's thing? Okay, Sharu, you have to move all of this like this. One by one we'll do it, okay? Like this. Can you move the blue one? One by one, Nini, one by one.
Sanvi, आप अपना करो. Sanvi?
It will come. Keep trying. See, it goes. Can you try yellow one?